Every energy-based technological revolution ushers in a new era. The application of new energy is making rapid progress across the globe and has grown to be the new driving force towards global economic transformation. Carbon peak and neutrality goals cannot be achieved without the integrated development of new energy and energy storage technology. In 2019, KSTAR and CATL entered into a major alliance with the subsequent creation of CATL-KSTAR. Build an industry-leading digital and intelligent energy storage platform to empower a double carbon strategy. Assist in the country's green development. Located in Xiapu, Ningde, CATL-KSTAR has two large manufacturing bases to the north and south, covering an overall planned area of 206,906 square meters at an investment of RMB 1 billion. The current annual energy storage output is 4 gigawatt hours. Relying on its advantages in terms of scientific research, CATL-KSTAR is now fully focused on the energy storage field. The company is dedicated to the R&D, production, sales, and servicing of photovoltaic, energy storage, and charging station integrated products. Responding to the global development policy for the new energy industry, CATL-KSTAR has successfully put into operation 2 lithium battery pack production lines and 1 for energy storage PCS. In 2022, 1 energy storage lithium battery pack production line and 1 UPS lithium battery pack production line will be added, with a final output capacity reaching 10 gigawatt hours. Intelligent robots have been introduced into the workshop to achieve a fully automated production line. In terms of automatic feeding, visual recognition and precise stacking through 6-joint robotics have been achieved, together with automatic cell sorting, grouping, and barcode entry. With modular stacking and the application of 4-axis servo SCARA and linear robots, cell gluing and module stacking and bundle are achieved. Laser and fully automated welding, AOI automatic optical inspection, and DCR testing. In terms of battery assembly, mature intelligent assembly technologies are utilized to achieve rapid boxing of modules, BMS installation, and barcode association. To provide reliable products, we constantly enhance and check quality. All the products should pass the charging, discharging test and 500 automated testing throughout the production process before delivery. Customers represent the core and workmanship the quality. CATL-KSTAR is building a global service network system based on customer needs. The company is always at your side with its 24/7 customer service. In the future, CATL-KSTAR will continue to be committed to quality and to providing whole-cycle solutions and worry-free after-sales service for global clients. CATL-KSTAR, combining power to change the future.